Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemical Engineering Life. In this lecture we will discuss some MCQs of chemical reaction engineering. So this graph shows two volume. This is the graph between FA0 divided by minus RA. FA0 divided by minus RA on the y-axis, and on the x-axis there is conversion, which is denoted by A. So suppose conversion of A is 80%. So this is suppose 80% conversion. This is the 50%, this is the 30%, 20 and 10% and 0%. So which reactor will occupy large volume for 80% conversion of reactant A? PFR, gauge, CSTR. So to obtain the volume of reactor, we will just multiply the y-axis and to the x-axis. So FA0 minus RA and to x will give us the volume of reactor. So for which reactor will occupy PFR? So the volume occupied for 80% conversion. So if we use CSTR, then CSTR will occupy this volume. This whole volume will occupy by CSTR. If we use plug flow reactor, then this only this volume, which is under this triangular area, this area will be occupied by the PFR. So for 80% conversion, the PFR will occupy less area. So this area was occupied by the PFR, but the CSTR occupied the large volume as compared to the PFR. So which reactor will occupy large volume? So CSTR will occupy large volume as compared to the PFR. When many CSTR are connected in series, they will act as CSTR, PFR and PBR. So when many CSTR are connected in series, suppose this CSTR, this CSTR, and this is another CSTR, this is another CSTR, this is the inlet, this is the outlet. So it will act as a simple PFR. So when many CSTR are connected in series, they will act as PFR reactor. So when many CSTR are connected in series, then they will act as a single PFR. When the CSTR are arranged, series arrange is best. CSTR, PFR, 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 CSTR, PFR, both. So this series is the best. So first of all, if we are 3 reactor, 2 are PFR and 1 is CSTR, then we should first of all we will put CSTR and then we will use 2 PFR. So this type arrangement, CSTR, PFR and PFR. So this will occupy less volume as compared to these two arrangements. Rate of reaction is a function of dash temperature, concentration, conversion. So rate of reaction is a function of temperature, yes, because minus RA is equal to KCA. This depends on temperature, this is concentration, and concentration is nothing but CA is equal to CA01 minus XA. So rate depends on the conversion. So all of them are correct. Which of the following is ideal gas law? E is equal to nRT, yes. Now mole is equal to mass by molar mass. So mass divided by molar mass is equal to mole, and this volume come to the denominator. So this is also the ideal gas, this is also the ideal gas law, and mass per unit volume is concentration. So P is equal to CRT, this is also the ideal gas law, and all of them are the correct. So this is the correct option. Dash equation is used to determine the pressure drop in the PBR. So Argon equation is used to determine the pressure drop in the PBR reactor. Take bed reactor. PBR means take bed reactor. And take bed reactor is W increases, the conversion also increases. So as the weight of the catalyst increases, the conversion also increases. So this is suppose is a take bed reactor. There is some catalyst particles. So as the catalyst weight increases in this direction, so the conversion also increases. Just like as the volume in PFR increases, the conversion increases. Pressure intake bed reactor dash conversion at the same rate of catalyst. So in the case of pressure drop, the conversion of reactor will decrease. So pressure drop delta P decrease the conversion of reactant. So pressure drop intake bed reactor decrease the conversion, and without pressure drop the conversion of A will be high. So pressure drop is maximum in dash bed reactor, fixed bed, fluidized bed both. So fluidized bed reactor the pressure drop is maximum. In the reaction in which A is converted into B, the conversion will be highest at pressure drop case, pressure drop in laminar, pressure drop in turbulent flow, no pressure drop case. So in the no pressure drop case, the conversion will be highest. So without pressure drop, the conversion of A will be highest. And with the help of pressure drop, there is pressure drop in reactor, their conversion will be very small. And so the conversion will be highest when there is no pressure drop. The relation between bulk density of catalyst and the density of the catalyst particle are related by bulk density is equal to catalyst density m to 1 minus void fraction of the reactor. Bulk density is equal to catalyst density into the void fraction, that catalyst density is equal to bulk density into 1 minus void fraction. So this is the correct option. So this was all about integration engineering. Thank you very much.